thinking in your trading doesn't work. Here's you. And here is Apple. All this Apple. Let me draw an apple here. All right. Looks like a heart, but there's Apple. Okay. When you have a thought about Apple, the thought comes here. Boom. Now you are focused on the thought about Apple. You're no longer directly seeing Apple. So for instance, you have a thought. Apple should go up from here. That's a thought. That thought separates you from the reality of what Apple is right now. You are only focused on your thought about Apple. It should go up. It should go up. That's all you are relating to. Apple should go up. Now, when Apple starts going down, you pay more attention and give more allegiance. You give more faith to your thought about Apple than you give to what Apple is actually doing in real life. So you say, well, Apple's going down. Yes, but it should go up. So you pay more attention to the thought about Apple going up than you do to the reality that it's not going up. And this is why you can hold on to a losing trade and have it destroy you. It doesn't matter how much money you're losing. You can hold on to it. Do you know why? Because you're married to your thought that it should go up. It doesn't matter that Apple is dropping like a stone. It doesn't matter that you're losing money. All that matters is your thought that it should not be going down. It actually should be going up. So you give your allegiance to your thought. You give your faith to your own creation. Your thinking, for lack of a better term, is this: I create reality. Apple should be going up because it's my thought. It should not be going down. I create reality. What Apple is doing is false. What I'm thinking is real. What I'm thinking should be true. Apple should be going up. It should not be going down. So you stake your claim in your own creation. This is why Albert Einstein called thoughts ego. Because thoughts are your mental creation of reality. The person who thinks Apple is going to go up has a mental picture of Apple going up. He created this picture in his mind of Apple rising. And it is that mental picture that becomes more important than the reality of Apple declining. And this is at the root of traders not being able to cut their losses because they're married to a thought of the opposite picture. They're married to their own creation. This is where the question comes from, this question. Oliver, why is it going down? That tells me the person is locked into a different thought. They have created a different mental reality, and that reality won't allow them to accept the fact that your item is going down. Who cares why it's going down? It's going down. Does the answer change the reality that it's going down? No. It's always a warning sign when someone asks me that. Why is this declining so much? Why are you asking? Do you have a different idea or picture in your mind that you're married to? Usually the answer is yes. So thoughts separate us from reality. Now, here's how the picture should look. This is you. This is your seeing. This is Apple. Now, no thought comes between, no idea, no thought, no bias, no guess, up or down, nothing. Just read what it's doing without thinking. And now you have direct relationship to the item itself. There is nothing separating you from reality. There's nothing that comes between you and Apple itself. Now, the only way to get around this is that you have to have something in your possession that replaces your thoughts. This is the key. This is how I conquered it for myself. Well, if I'm not going to think, then what am I going to do? You're going to follow my master trade list.